Hey, it's the Siren Collector here, and I'm in Winter Harbor, Maine, and at this old fire department, they have a Fedelcode Model 5 on top of it. Gonna see if I can get a better look at it. It's a realty area now, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, it's right up there. Has a very unique port ratio of some sort. It's like, I don't know, dots instead of the average vertical bars, I guess I could say it. You can see the access door right there. It's on this small mount. Yep, just like that. So yeah, this is a Fedelcode Model 5 in Winter Harbor, Maine. That's pretty much all there is to it though for now. So yeah, bye for now.